Tired of watching potential subscribers slip through the cracks on your WordPress website? Let's dive into how to seamlessly embed a Mailerlite form into your WordPress site in just a few easy steps, turning those website visitors into loyal subscribers. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Mailerlite. Locate the official Mailerlite plugin, it should be by Mailerlite, and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click the Activate button. Now, look for the Mailerlite option in your WordPress menu, usually located on the left-hand side, and click on it. Here, you'll need to connect your Mailerlite account. The easiest way is to use your Mailerlite API key, which you can find in your Mailerlite account settings under Integrations. Paste your API key into the provided field and save the settings. Now that your account is connected, let's embed a form. Go to Appearance and then Widgets. Find the Mailerlite Signup Form widget. Drag and drop it into your desired widget area, such as a sidebar or footer. Select the specific form you want to display from the drop-down menu, give your widget a title, and then click Save. Alternatively, you can embed a form directly into a post or page. When editing a page, add a block and search for Mailerlite. Select the Mailerlite block and choose the form you want to display. And that's it. Your Mailerlite Signup form is now embedded on your WordPress website, ready to capture those valuable email addresses.